Framing tool belts include a hanger for a hammer, large pouches for a carpenter's square and hand tools, medium pouches for tape measures, and smaller pouches with wide openings for nails and other fasteners. These tool belts are made from durable materials such as near nylon and genuine leather, and feature adjustable belts and suspenders with thick padding for fit and comfort. If you're in the market for a better way to organize the tools you use, watch the video to learn about some of the best carpenter's tool belt you can strap around your waist.
LAUTUS oil tan leather tool belt is our most popular tool belt. Made from high quality tan leather and steel, it's reinforced with double polyester stitching all around. Has 11 pockets and 2 hammer holders. The perfect leather tool belt for you. You'll love this tool belt. It's a hassle having to run to go and grab your tools from the toolbox every time you need to use them. No more. This tool belt carries a ton of tools, a square tape measure, 2 hammer loops, and more. This tool belt helps you be more efficient. It's both convenient, functional, comfortable, and durable. For any type of work, construction, carpenters, mechanics, electrician, framers, handyman, or any type of work or project. Has 11 pockets total for every type of tool. 2 large pockets, 2 medium pockets, 2 small pockets. 4 pockets for pencils, screwdrivers, and other small items. Leather box pocket square for tape measure. 2 hammer holders with metal loops. Leather belt with double prong roller buckle. It's multi-purpose.
Dawg's 11-pocket suede leather tool belt is part of Dawg's 3-tiered system, with Tier 3 being for professionals and this system being a part of Tier 1. Tier 1 provides our best compromise between low cost yet a good quality product for those who are not going to be on the job site every day. Having a tool belt provides the user easier access to their tools without them having to leave their position. It is a one-piece set with identical bags sewn to the nylon belt, allowing for use on both the front or the back depending on your personal preference. Furthermore, it has a clip for a tape measure, 2 steel hammer loops, 4 slots for pencils or screwdrivers, 2 large pockets for large tools such as a speed square or a wrench, and 2 small exterior pockets for auxiliary tools like a drill bit or your primary nail or screw of choice. This tool belt has plenty of pockets and space, giving you the confidence you need to finish the job with more speed and less trips to your toolbox or truck.
The Dickies 5-pocket single-side apron allows you to keep your tools within reach. The apron features a fabric material for durability. An adjustable web belt with a durable high-impact plastic buckle fits waist 32 inches to 56 inches, 2 large pockets, 1 webbing tool loop, 1 plier type pocket, and 2 smaller tool loop type pockets.
Occidental Leather Adjust-to-Fit series. To lengthen or shorten the assembly, pull the 2-inch nylon webbing from behind the suspender loop and the keeper strap. Unthread the 2-inch webbing from the middle oxy lock. Once. Then again. So it can be adjusted freely. After determining the belt length required, make the adjustments. You're aiming for a size that places the roller buckle pin at the midpoint on the leather tongue. The tool belt is designed so when you put it on, the buckle will be off to the side and out of your way. The ideal adjustment places the bags on or just back of the hip center line. Once you're done resizing your adjust-to-fit, rethread your 2-inch nylon strap through the oxy lock. Make sure to take out the slack, loop it over the lock, and go through the other side. Once you have run your strap through the other side of the buckle, continue the strap underneath the keeper strap. Do whatever adjusting and straightening that is needed. Then under the suspender attachment loop. Then take what's remaining and hide it behind the tool and hammer holder. Now get to work!